In 1492, Christopher Columbus documented something strange while crossing the Atlantic. His ship's compass stopped working, and he noted a glowing, candle-like falling light crashing into the ocean directly ahead of them. 4 centuries later, a massive sailing ship called the Ellen Austin was discovered drifting in the exact same region. The vessel was in pristine condition, but completely empty. The captain, the crew, and every passenger were simply gone. Then, in 1945, 5 U.S. military training planes, known as Flight 19, vanished without a trace. Their final radio transmissions reported that their instruments had failed and that the water below them appeared to be burning. By all historical accounts, this pocket of the ocean is a death trap. Yet today, millions of tourists, commercial flights, and cargo ships cross through it safely every single year. It raises an obvious question. Did this geographic anomaly suddenly vanish? Or was the terrifying reputation of this ocean entirely manufactured? The phrase Bermuda Triangle didn't even exist until 1964. It was coined in an Argosy magazine article written by an author named Vincent Gaddis. Gaddis took centuries of isolated, highly unverified maritime logs, ranging from Columbus to Flight 19, and bundled them together. He drew an artificial boundary from Florida to Puerto Rico to Bermuda, packaging hundreds of years of bad luck into one cohesive, terrifying location. The entertainment industry recognized a highly profitable formula. Publishers and studios rapidly flooded the market with books, documentaries, and movies, turning the Devil's Triangle into a massive commercial franchise. The economics of this are straightforward. A story about a secret underwater alien base or the lost city of Atlantis hooks a reader instantly. The reality of a tired captain making a mathematical error in bad weather does not sell copies. The Bermuda Triangle operates as a successful pop culture franchise, built on a century of media sensationalism that converted isolated human tragedies into profit. If we strip away the Hollywood embellishments and look at the physical symptoms reported by early sailors, the most common complaint is failing navigation instruments. This globe illustrates the difference between geographic north, the physical top of the planet, and magnetic north, which is where your compass actually points. There is a specific, naturally shifting geographic boundary called the agonic line, where these 2 points perfectly align. For a long stretch of history, the center of that agonic line sat right over the Bermuda Triangle. Early explorers crossing this threshold watched their trusted instruments spin out of control, interpreting a predictable quirk of Earth's magnetic field as an otherworldly threat. In 2016, researchers identified hexagonal cloud formations unique to the region that act as massive downward air bombs. These clouds fire invisible columns of wind at 175 miles per hour, enough force to blast a low-flying aircraft straight into the sea. Beneath the water, the seafloor is heavily concentrated with methane hydrate fields. When these deep gas pockets violently erupt, they turn the ocean surface into a massive froth of bubbles. The water's density drops so rapidly that a heavy, fully intact ship will sink instantly to the bottom. Localized weather anomalies and rare geological events explain the monsters described in the historical lore, grounding the mystery in the laws of physics. We can prove this by looking directly at the math. Lloyd's List is a globally recognized shipping publication that has spent decades tracking international maritime casualties. This graphic visualizes data for 8,634 ships traveling through the Bermuda Triangle. Out of that massive cluster, only 2 suffered casualties. Comparing that fraction against worldwide data, the global casualty rate is 1.8%. Mathematically, the triangle is safer than average. To put that in perspective, there is an ocean zone near Japan on the exact same latitude, known as the Dragon's Triangle. It has the exact same deep-sea geological phenomena, identical extreme weather, and highly similar vessel disappearance rates. You likely haven't heard of the Dragon's Triangle because Hollywood studios never built a massive, continuous media campaign to publicize it. Today, our ships and planes are equipped with advanced radar, deep-sea sonar, and global positioning systems. That technology permanently illuminated the dark corners of the map where these myths relied on ambiguity to survive. The legacy of the Bermuda Triangle is a lesson in media literacy. It clearly demonstrates that just because a story is repeated universally, it does not mean the evidence ever supported it.